Hey guys! So this is everything that I'm bringing with me for the next 2 years. It's really not a lot, and I'm actually shocked at myself that this is all I'm bringing. So this is my big backpack that I'm bringing. It's the Osprey Farpoint 40. This we are bringing as a carry-on, so we don't have to pay for baggage fees in case it gets lost. So there's a big compartment in here. There is a mesh pocket in here, 2 water bottle pockets, a hidden zipper here, and then this fits your laptop in here, and then I have another zipper and another compartment. And the straps on this bag can also be hidden if you pull this part out here, if you want to carry it like a duffel, which I will not be doing. So we'll start with my hair straightener, which I have to have. My hair is naturally wavy and very crazy and wild, so I'm bringing that. And then this is my awesome Toiletries bag. So it can hang up. These come off. So this is going to be for my toiletries. It opens up here, has a zipper inside, and this opens up also. Just shampoo, conditioner, the usual stuff. And then you can hang it if you do so please to. And then it has another compartment in here, so I have like medicines, jewelry, that sorts of stuff. And then this is my tiny little makeup, so I don't really wear too much makeup, so I just have like chapstick, mascara, liquid eyeliner, and this is going to go in my personal item backpack. That's that. And then I have a crap ton of Band-Aids. I also have these awesome insect repellent wipes that I got for free at a travel show. So I'm bringing that too, because mosquitoes love me. Alright, and then I have a headlamp, which actually was a birthday present from one of my best friends named Hannah. This thing is crazy. So we'll be using that for like caves and stuff. Okay, and then I have a converter, which is going to be used for my straightener. And then I have 2 auxiliary cords for the speakers or my phone, a charger for the speakers, another auxiliary cord, and an HDMI cord, so when Justin and I are having lazy nights, we want to watch movies, we can plug our laptops into the TV, hopefully if they have one. And then this is a portable charger. It's by Anchor. This was like $50 Canadian on Amazon. It has 2 USB, fully charged, so it can charge my phone up to 6 times from dead to 100%, so it's crazy. Really good deal. The only downside is it is a little bit heavy. So these speakers, UE Boom, they're shockproof, water resistant. We've had them on the beach so many times and we've never gotten sand in them. I've had these things for like 2 years and they go really loud. So, but they were a bit pricey, but it was worth every penny. The battery life on this bad boy is like 15 hours. Obviously, if you have it at max volume, it will be much less. It's also Bluetooth. What else? Okay. Then I have the same thing like Justin. It's a microfiber towel. You can use it as a blanket or a shawl, a sleeping bag liner. It has many different uses for it and it dries quickly. Oh, and it also comes with a face towel as well. Okay, and then I have a padlock just in case, you never know. Then I have this little waterproof bag. So I'm going to be using this for mine and Justin's wet bathing suits to put into. Okay, and then I have a laundry bag. Inside the laundry bag, I actually put 2 dryer sheets just to make everything smell fresh. And then it can zip up like this for laundry day. And this actually came with all of the packing cubes and the shoe bag, which was on Amazon, and I'll link that below. It was a really good deal. I highly recommend packing cubes. It's a life changer. Okay, and then I have my North Face sandals. So they're waterproof. There's a lifetime warranty on them. Very comfortable. They're strappy so they don't fall off when you're in the waterfalls. And then I have your standard Havaianas flip-flops and my black chucks and a Tentree hat. Okay, so I'll start with these packing cubes here. So the smallest one has 2 bathing suits, a nude bra. I only have about 7 pairs of underwear, so I will need to get more. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of socks, and then of course what I'm wearing. Okay, so then I have the medium-sized packing cube. So I have a nightclub going out dress. I have a dressy dress, so 2 dresses total. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tank tops, a light cardigan, and a flannel plaid button-up in case it gets cold. I'm also bringing a sweater. And then this shirt also. So got that. And then the biggest size of the packing cubes. So this is holding all my bottoms. And I have loose fitting pants to wear around the temples and stuff. They're lightweight, they're very flowy, and they don't wrinkle. A tip for packing, always roll your clothes because you get way more room versus just folding them and laying them flat. So those are always good to have. Then I have workout leggings with some breathable pockets there. Again, roll. And then I have waterproof shorts, 2 black shorts and jean shorts, and North Face rain jacket, which we're going to need. Alrighty, so that's basically all of my clothes. And then of course what I'm wearing, I'm bringing a pair of leggings, just in case. Probably not going to wear them very often, maybe just on the planes. So that's it for my clothes, and then we'll go into what I'm bringing on my small personal item backpack. So I've got my phone charger in case I need to charge it while we're at the airport. You guys probably don't know this, but I need glasses. I wear glasses and I hate contacts. So I recently just got 3 brand new pairs of prescription sunglasses. Oops. So I have 3 pairs of prescription sunglasses and then my prescription regular glasses. So I put them all in here for easy access. And then I brought Uno because Justin and I love Uno. So we can play on the airplane or with new friends at hostels or something. And then I have my noise cancelling headphones with a wire and a splitter so that if Justin and I want to watch a movie together. I'm going to be carrying the GoPro. Just have, it's like a koozie to protect the GoPro. Okay, so the GoPro Hero 5. Awesome quality, 4K, 1080, whatever. This is from Aoki, I don't know how to pronounce it. So these are little lenses that can go on my phone. So I've got widescreen, so it goes on this this little clip here. So you just screw it on and then it goes on your phone like so. But you have to have your case off for it to work. So I've got the fisheye, macro, and widescreen. So those all come in its own little case. It's fairly cheap. And then I've got, of course, my eye mask so I can sleep on the plane. And then I have a collapsible water bottle. The cool thing about this is obviously that it's collapsible. This also I got on Amazon. It was like 20 bucks Canadian. I will put the link below if you guys want to check it out. And then I'm going to wear my biggest shoes on the plane so I can save space in my backpack. And then I have my Global Snowbirds hats that my coworkers made me. Thank you guys, we love them. And then last but not least, my passport wallet. So I've got my passport in here. It's a passport protector so nobody can jack my shit, my personal info. A pen for filling out the forms on the plane. I have my ID card, credit card, also with a protector. And then as we talked previously in a previous video, my Tangerine checking card. So in Canada, this is the card with the least fees. And then a zipper here for all cash. And extra passport photos for, extra photos for visas. And so yeah, so all this stuff here is going in this small bag. The cool thing about this bag is it's waterproof. It also packs into itself, into this pocket here. I didn't take these items out, but I've got Kleenex, hand sanitizer, little eye mask thing that my friend Rosie gave to me for after the plane, and gum for when your ears pop. So now I shall begin packing it all away. Dun dun dun! Dun dun dun! Okay, so that's everything. This is my big bag and my little front bag. And then I am wearing these to the airport. And that's everything. So this is all of my stuff that I'm bringing for the next 2 years, guys. I'll put links of everything that I think you might be interested in below, and probably like Justin, I'll do a full detailed list of what I'm packing. You can choose to do so also if you'd like. And that's it. Oh, and then my laptop, but we're still using it until we go to the airport. Countdown is on. We've got like 7 more hours till we leave, so we will see you guys later. Thank you.